So I recently visited my relatives' house. They are not so far away, but they have this beautiful house, with this backyard, uh, two chickens and like four parrots, just basically living there with their nests and stuff uh, in that backyard. They also have this 4-year-old child with them growing, and somehow he spends, I mean, most of his day in this backyard. I don't know how, but yeah, somehow it does. So when we visited this house, I was looking into this backyard, and there's a lot happening in this backyard. This 4-year-old, right? Yeah, this 4-year-old. Whenever he looks at this parrot landing in the nest, he just runs towards them, waving his hands. Just make sure, just make sure the parrots fly. And right after parrots fly, he come back to his chicken again. He pets them, like he takes them into lap and pet with that chicken. A smooth time passes by, and whenever he sees those parrots land again, he leave whatever he is doing and just runs towards those parrots immediately, just after seeing them. Just when if he sees those parrots on his legs, he just runs towards them again and again, again and again. I mean, uh, and he never forgets to come back to his chicken, and and pet them, like take them into his lap, and he never forgets that. We were like we were like 4 hours in that house, and this is what happening, one after the other. Parrots to chicken, chicken to parrots, parrots chicken. I mean, I don't know. I don't know, because parrots fly and chickens don't. Uh, I guess. Yeah. See you soon.